Straight yun. Pero yung start niya straight like yun.
Ding 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 ding. Okay, we're playing first time Tanamera Garden Course. And Mr. Buboy. Let's bring it on. Bring it on. Sorry. So we're playing 10th tee, Mr. Buboy.
Yes.
All the way there. So this is our country club.
Makes any difference? 10th or first?
I think this is the one. Oh, that's 16.
10.
Yeah. The last time I was here was probably 15 years ago.
Right side.
During the HSBC tournament. I remember this place pretty well. We were kind of following up on a Fever, or so we thought it's called, but ended up it's Margaret Vessel. Because you had the same uniform, like a pin pack there. Never both on. There you go, 10th tee. Shout out to Mr. Darren Lim. This is your home course. We're going to test it out on hole 10. Blue tee. Here we come. Louis, what's your expectation in this course today?
100.
Perfect score, huh? I like that. The last time I had a vlog was in Glen Marie, KL. Now, with our friend. Tanamera. Today, they have a very slow green. So that's how it looks like, and this is the actual. 320, index 6. Okay.
Smooth criminal.
Joe DiMaggio. Better by 10 yards. Okay.
Excited ba kalaro sa garden? Iniiwan ng bag. Idol! First time ko ginawa yan. Excited.
Not bad. Need 110. This is way different from Mr. Darren Lim's vlog, you know, because he's always here, but we are here or there. Yeah, this is the amateur game. So the reality is amateurs are here or there, never here. Nice. Sama sa bayad. First galore. So that's Bobo's second. Mr. Vito's second, and we're on the green. Boy, come on, not bad. Oh boy, come on. Oh. With about 30 footer, it's a long way to go. Darren Lim, I parred your first hole. Thanks to Mr. Bobo's second shot video. Close to his heart. Hole 2, par 4. No, par 3. Wow, wind is really strong. 126 all the way. Wind behind. Bueno. Oh, he won that with the front of the home crowd.
Yeah, man. It was nice to watch.
Looking good. Okay, it's still on the green. Whoa, good shot.
Right on the money.
Boom! Oh, right. Come on, hole in one. Hole in one.
Yung patak, sobra na siya agad eh.
But it landed on the middle of the green. There you go. So where's our ball? There's our ball. Yeah, with that wind, pare, it's difficult to control. So that's my ball, another 25 footer. As Boboi's, maybe around 15, 20. Wind is picking up really strong. Nice. Nice touch. Soft touch. Good touch. Whoa, right. You're burning some midnight oils, my friend, with your homework. Nice touch.
I learned that from Mark.
Boboi's birdie putt. Oh, nice. Zone yung kanta pare. Yeah. Wonders in danger zone is a reachable par 4, my friend. All the way. Golfer. Straight as an arrow. Good shot. Green, go, go, go. Ooh! Wow. Going to the beach today, my friend. Almost. I had a 4-putt on the second hole. Not too good. But hey, this is my time for a slow green that I'm trying it out. So that's the risk-reward factor. Let's see if this will probably be a birdie. Who knows? Oh boy, 4 par. Oh, nice. It's over there. Okay. Nice boy. Look at that. Yeah, caught on cam. I'm bogey. Joey is, I think he got 7 yata. That's called the accidental. Oh, you're copying Darren over the tree There you go.
Nice.
Yay!
That's a fade.
Baby fade.
That's Joey fade.
Yep.
Yeah. That's the way.
Criminal. Whee!
Can't complain. Further. You cross the tree, man. Yeah. This is the tree bed that Mr. Darren is saying.
Drop it parallel.
Somewhere here. Where did you may ball it on? 1. Good shot. Cross. Hey, that's a fade. Nice shot. Good shot. Go. Oi.
Bottom.
Beat left. 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Alrighty. Kaya.
See, nag-right ka, right din ako. Over the tree ka, over the short din ako. Ito talaga. Master. My master.
Oh, naubos yung kanyang champ. Now you're rendering justice. Take.
Okay.
That's a par.
Oh.
Alright. Oh! Ay, golly.
Still on the bogey train, I'm happy.
I thought in the hole.
We'll go to the drop zone now and then let's hit from there.
Yeah,
Might as well. Island Green of Tanamera.
Looking good. Nice.
Hole in one. Nice. Barely.
It's okay.
Barely.
Barely counts.
Nice shot. Come on, draw. Come on, draw. Bang.
Looking good. Oh, looking good. No.
Oh, I said
Birdie.
Pero alam ko naman ang patron tira mo, so okay lang na kahit pa. Island Hole of Tanamera. Beautiful course. No complaints. Nectar. For me, it feels like I'm playing in Sydney.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Feels like
among Singapore courses, second or third?
this one? If I remember, parang third. SIC, Sentosa SI din ito.
SI ang second.
1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball as the whole. Let's find out who will make birdie. Or par at least. Guys practicing chipping. Okay. Ooh. Joey. Oh, lost pace.
Yeah, it's very.
B2B. On boy. Redeem Joey. Redeem our friend! Ah. Verdict.
Ooh. I don't know, smooth criminal.
Dapat practicing ko pala yung criminal move. Yung ding ding ding. Ding ding ding.
Ladies and gentlemen, from Singapore, Mr. Mark B on the 16th tee.
Fairway.
Fairway. Mr. Fairway finder.
Basta fairway. Okay, right side fairway. Nice shot. The flag. Good shot. Who is on green now? Woof. Somebody's on the green. Okay. There's 3 balls on the fairway. Oh, 1 on the fairway, 1 on the green. Come on, boy. Just like what you practiced. Up, up, up. Oh. Ah. Need to work. Need to work. Need to work on my par. On, Joey. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good! Woo! Okay, that's yours. Oi,
Yes,
oi!
yes.
Ooh! Yep, it's a working par. No complaints. Par 4. Oi, 280.
1 on.
Bring it on. The view from 16th hole. Nice shot. All right.
It's not 1 on, but for the bunker.
Oh yeah. Well, who knows?
Ladies and gentlemen, from Singapore, Mr. Mark B on the 16th tee.
Fairway.
Fairway. It's the fairway finder.
Basta fairway. The B-boy.
B-boy. Come on.
He can stand for many things. Could be a boy, could be a boodle boy. Could be a Becky boy.
Wow.
Now that's a
Airball. Airball.
okay, airball. Stop. Okay, okay, okay. Good shot. Come on, on, on. Nice. Ito ang import. Baliktad eh. Ikaw yung import ng mga puti eh. Oh man. That's the thing. The 40-yard shot of Joey. That's our ball. 30 feet at least. Joey. Ooh. One more. One more up. Oh, still not up. La Testi 5-footer for par. Come on, boy. Come on. Oh.
Instead of bouncing to the left, you went to the right, bro. My battery. I hate golf. Why are we doing this again?
We want to punish ourselves. Oh.
Double. 1 on double. Double bogey. But not eagle.
Not sure. I don't want to count.
Ah, okay.
I don't want to count.
Okay. Don't jinx.
17th tee. Where are we? Tanamera Garden Course. Golfer. The course. Beautiful. Singapore standard is well maintained. Good job, Tanamera team. Good shot. Nice. Alrighty. Somebody waved hi to him from the plane. He got distracted.
Oh, okay.
He's got some fans from the plane. Nice.
Draw. Oi,
Sa TikTok, this is the walk when you're on a par 3 and then you're holding on to your putter. Sabi nila. Uy, Joey, come on. Oh, hindi naman pala siya bunker, so we're good. Flag golfer. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. That's good. Oh.
correct? Which one is it?
Which one?
We both have the same ball. And I also didn't put a marker on mine.
Oh. I'm Joe. Mr. Joseph Schooling. Lucky, happy coincidence. Good shot. Good shot.
I think you may have to sign my ball just in case it's your ball.
Kasi yung landing niya papunta rito eh. Yung landing mo. Lalim dibdib, no? Swimmy.
Oh, I didn't turn.
Fast paced.
Space.
Careful with that.
Oh,
It's used to go to water.
yeah.
I like that. Oh!
Come on.
Oh, it is schooling, boy. Good school.
So I think I cannot.
So when it's a water hole, please don't use that.
Yeah, I cannot use this ball anymore.
Yeah. Oh, SICC SIME course. Straight. It's okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fading. Let's fade. Nice shot. Let's see the tiger shot of Mr. Joe. Eat your heart out, JT! Up! Ganda ng contact ah.
Kuya is very strong. Okay, go.
Go.
Very strong.
so you finally decided to lay up. Good shot. That's on the green. It's still on the green. I'll be happy with that shot, partner. Okay, go.
Ay, straight yun talaga. Ay, pero yun ang start niya eh. Straight like yun. Straight.
Good shot. Stop. Tight. Okay. Good shot. Nice.